Alright guys, so my ledger Stax just came in. Quick size comparison of the Flex box, the Stax box, and the actual Flex itself. As you see, this Stax box, even though I was really smart and I did the photo upside down, is absolutely massive. It's a pretty premium looking box. And if you're planning on picking up a Stax, feel free to use my link in the description or the barcode on screen. If you use my referral, you get $20 in BTC, I get $20 in BTC. It's win-win. So please use the link if you want to support the channel. And sorry for the little ghetto setup I have over here. I didn't have a place to record, so I threw something together really quickly. And right here, you're going to see the ledger shell that comes with the order. If you order a Stax, you will get this included. For some reason, when I got my order, they had a second one in there. I don't know why. Simple issue, simple error, but I guess I have two shells now. But here we go, guys, opening the box. And like I said, this box is massive. And sorry for the audio, guys. For some reason, it did not record, so I'm kind of doing a voiceover as we go through this unboxing. So first look at the Stax. Tiny little guy. Can't get it out. Don't know how to open a box, apparently. There we go. This was one of my big pet peeves doing this unboxing. When I pulled it out, we only get one recovery sheet. It's a small thing, but every ledger device that I ever bought, Nanos, I think even the Flex, the X, all came with multiples just in case you mess up or something like that. So kind of annoying that it only gave one. And now some useless paperwork, which I'll throw away in just a second. Blah. And then the actual device itself. Super small, feels really nice in the hands. I'm actually surprised how small it feels, but so much larger than the actual Flex. Is it worth the extra $150 or so for it? That will be determined. I'm gonna try to play around with it, get a feel for it over the next couple days. And here we'll take a look at them side by side, the Flex versus the Stax. I'll even take it out of the case to make it nice and easy for a true comparison. And there we go, side by side. I did it backwards the first time. I'll get smart over it and we'll figure it out. There we go. So actual side by side comparison. Like I said, it feels nice and large for what it is, but still small enough where it's pocketable. It's nice, it's easy. Then we're gonna look at the shell that comes with it. As we see, super sturdy in there. It's not going anywhere while it's in there. The one thing I am going to say though, at the end here, that to me, the touchscreen feels a little less responsive just playing with it and typing in my seed phrase and everything than my Flex. So I do need to play around with that a little bit more. But with that being said, guys, hopefully you liked this video. If you did, like, subscribe, leave a comment, take care, spike your hair, and I do hope you all have a blessed day. Peace.